Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to edit a video in Filmora application. Editing a video in Filmora involves several basic steps to trim, split, add effects, transitions, and more. So here is how you can edit a video. So the first thing to do is to open the Filmora application to get started. Once you open up the app, click on the New Project button. Select the media from your device's gallery that you want to edit. It can be an image or a video. Once you import the video clip, go ahead and familiarize yourself with the interface. At the bottom of the screen, you will see several tools. The Caesar icon where it says Trim can be used to cut and split clips. Click on the Trim button and then to trim a clip, go ahead and select your desired area where you want to clip the video into two and tap on the split icon at the bottom. Soon after you tap on it, you will be able to split the video clip from your desired selected area. You can continue clipping up your video by repeating the same method. You can use the trim option to cut off unwanted parts of your video. Tap on the little pencil icon in the middle of the separated clip in order to apply transition effect. Choose the transition style from the menu available and then apply it to your video. You can also go ahead and look for other transition tools according to your choices and apply it to your video. You can also add text and titles to your video. From the bottom menu, tap on the text option and then select the T icon with a little plus in it. Go ahead and select your text style, fonts, animate your text, and so on according to your choice. After you are done with it, customize the text by tapping on the text in the timeline and then dragging it towards your video. If you want to cover your whole video with the text, you can make sure that you align the video clip with the text clip properly in the timeline. Customize your text style further by using the tools at the bottom. You can also use features like adjusting speeds and audio. Press on the video clip on the timeline and then from the bottom menu appearing, if you want to change the speed of your video, click on speed. Adjust the speed level by using the menu at the bottom. Use it to adjust the playback speed of the selected clip. To adjust the audio level, simply go ahead and click on the volume option at the bottom. Adjust the audio levels using the volume icon, and you can also go ahead and use the fade in or fade out effect. Make any other necessary adjustments using the tools and tap on tick mark at the top right to save your changes. Now preview your edited video by tapping on the play button. You can also make other necessary adjustments by using the tools at the bottom. It'll take a while for you to familiarize yourself with it. After making necessary edits, click on export at the top right corner to save your edited video to your device. So that's how you will be able to edit video in Filmora. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.